Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to break down how to make some serious cash, and the best part, you don't need 1 million followers to do it. We're talking about the UGC method, user-generated content. That's right, brands are hungry for authentic content and they're willing to pay. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start raking in that sweet UGC money. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this bread. Alright, first things first, we gotta figure out what you're gonna make content about. Think about your passions, your hobbies, things you actually enjoy. Do you love video games, makeup tutorials your thing? Maybe you're a whiz in the kitchen. Whatever it is, owning that passion is gonna make creating content a breeze. Plus, your excitement will shine through and brands eat that up. Remember, authenticity is key in the UGC game, so choose something you genuinely vibe with, and let's move on to the next step. Now that we know what we're passionate about, it's time to figure out how we're gonna show it off. UGC comes in a ton of flavors. Think reviews, unboxings, tutorials, you name it. If you're a tech guru, maybe you're doing hands-on reviews of the latest gadgets. Love to cook? Whip up some delicious recipes and film the process. The key here is to pick a style that matches your niche and plays to your strengths. Are you a natural storyteller? Go for those lifestyle-type videos, more comfortable showing than telling. Tutorials might be your jam. Experiment, have fun, and find what feels right. Okay, time to get down to business and start filming. And the best part? You don't need a Hollywood studio to create killer content. Your smartphone is your best friend. Seriously, the cameras on these things are insane nowadays. Just make sure you've got good lighting. Natural light is amazing, or grab a couple of lamps to brighten things up. And don't forget about audio. Clear sound is super important, so make sure your mic is up to par. We'll talk about some gear upgrades later, but for now, remember, good lighting and clear audio can make all the difference. Alright, so we've covered the basics, but if you're serious about this UGC hustle, investing in some key gear can take your content to the next level. First up, a good microphone is a game changer. It'll make your audio crystal clear and way more professional. Next, think about investing in some lighting. A simple ring light or two can make a world of difference, especially if you're filming indoors. And hey, don't be afraid to get creative with it. Use props, experiment with different backgrounds, and have fun with the process. Chapter 5. Now that you're a content creating machine, it's time to find those brands that are ready to throw money at you. There are tons of platforms out there connecting creators with brands. Fiverr, Upwork, Billo. These are your new best friends. Create profiles on these sites, highlighting your skills and showcasing your awesome portfolio. Be sure to target gigs that align with your niche and style. Remember, you're not just applying for jobs, you're building relationships with brands. Okay, let's talk money. When you're first starting out, it's smart to keep your prices competitive. Check out what other creators in your niche are charging and aim for a similar range. Don't be afraid to undervalue your work just to land a few gigs. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can gradually increase your rates. Remember, your time and skills are valuable. Don't be afraid to negotiate and make sure you're getting paid what you deserve. Think of your portfolio as your highlight reel, showcasing your best work to potential clients. It doesn't have to be fancy. A simple website or even a PDF will do the trick. Make sure to include a variety of content that highlights your skills and versatility. Got a killer product review? Put it in there. Nailed that unboxing video? Show it off. A strong portfolio is key to landing those high-paying gigs, so make sure you're constantly updating it with your best work. And that's how I made $500 in 2025 with no followers using the UGC method. Now, I know it might seem overwhelming, but trust me, it's totally doable. Just remember to start with your passion, find your style, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. With a little hard work and dedication, you'll be raking in that UGC cash in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. See you in the next video.